Introducing the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, moonroof, power liftgate, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.